Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, if you have an Apple device, please update it, as there is a serious zero-day exploited in the wild that affects pretty much all devices, whether you have a Mac computer, a MacBook, an iPad, an iPhone, an Apple TV, and so on. It's extremely important to update. It's a flaw that is in a feature of the Apple operating system, which is a dynamic link editor, and basically that gives it opens a flaw which gives access to the memory of the device, which in turn means you just put the code you want there, execute it, and you have full control of the device. So it is a flaw that is very sophisticated. It usually targets specific people, but since it's a flaw that is known, you never know what other bad guys can decide to do with it, which means it becomes a big vulnerability. So the affected devices are iPhone 11 and later, iPad Pro 12.9-inch, third generation and later, iPad Pro 11-inch, first generation and later, iPad Air, third generation and later, iPad 8th generation and later, iPad Mini, 5th generation and later, and Mac devices running macOS Tahoe. So Apple fixed the vulnerability in iOS 18.7.5, iPad OS 18.7.5, macOS Tahoe 26.3, tvOS 26.3, watchOS 26.3, and visionOS 26.3. So check for an update for your Apple devices so you can stay safe on your device. It's very important because this is apparently exploited quite a lot right now, and it's easy to exploit just with the perfect code, perfect arbitrary code on surfing on the web. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.